The Autel 2025 Circuit Tester Kit is a versatile tool designed for both beginners and professionals working with vehicle electrical systems, ranging from 6 to 30 volts. It features a clear 160 by 128 TFT display and supports a variety of tests including voltage, polarity, and continuity, making it a reliable choice for diagnostics. With 4 advanced working modes including DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, and tone on-off, this tester offers precise readings and simplifies the troubleshooting process. The device is capable of activating and testing a wide range of electrical components such as blower motors, power windows, and radiator fans, ensuring comprehensive diagnostics. Instant polarity identification and real-time feedback are facilitated by the built-in LED indicators, which helps streamline the diagnostic process. The tester is equipped with a 20-foot extension cable and built-in flashlight, enhancing its practicality and user-friendliness, especially in dimly lit environments.